morning students. In our last lecture we have seen what is Miller index, how to find Miller index of a plane and what are the features of a Miller index. In our today's lecture we will learn how to draw Miller indices or the Miller planes with the help of Miller indices. In order to draw Miller planes with the help of Miller index given, we should remember the features of the Miller index. I have told you that if a given crystallographic plane is parallel or the axis given plane is parallel to the crystallographic axis, then it will not intersect that axis. Hence its intercept will be at infinity and its index will become 1 upon infinity is equal to 0. This we have to remember while attending this question. Suppose I will give you few of the examples and you have to solve the question given in 1.5 on your own. Let's start to understand how to draw Miller planes. Suppose in solution 1 there is one example given. A plane whose Miller index is given as 100. What is the meaning of this 100? It means that there is one plane as shown in figure and it will intercept only to x-axis, because we know that in case of 100 value of h is 1, value of k is 0 and value of l is 0. How will have reached to these values? Because we have taken the reciprocal of the numerical parameters. Therefore we have to inverse the procedure. It means that we have to now find out the intercept made by the planes. So we have to take the reciprocal of the digits given here, that is HKL values given here. Here 100, it means that h value is 1. So we have to take the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 upon 1. Reciprocal of 0 is 1 upon 0 and reciprocal of 0 is 1 upon 0. We know that when 1 upon 0, it means that given plane will intercept that axis at infinity. Therefore the intercepts are come out as 1, infinity and infinity. It means that we have to draw a plane which will intercept x-axis at 1, y-axis at infinity and z-axis at infinity. So the present plane ABCD fulfills this requirement. Hence the plane that we have to draw with index 100 is as shown in figure. Then next we have to draw a plane 101. It means that again we have to follow the reverse procedure. It means that from the Miller index we have to find out the intercepts. Same procedure. It means that we have to take the reciprocal of 101. It means that h value is 1, k value is 0 and l value is 1. Reciprocal of 1 comes out as 1 upon 1. Reciprocal of 0 is 1 upon 0. Reciprocal of 1 comes out as 1 upon 1. It means that 1 upon 1 is equal to 1, 1 upon 0 is equal to infinity and 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. It means that we have to draw a plane which will intercept only x and z axis and not the y axis as shown in figure. At D it is intersecting x axis, then at A it is intersecting z axis, but it is not intersecting y axis at all. Therefore this plane shown in figure with A, B, C, D represents 101 plane. Next, a plane whose Miller indices are 110. It means that given plane is intersecting only x and y axis and it is not intersecting z axis. Hmm? Is it clear? Then find out the intercepts. How to find out the intercepts? Take the reciprocal of the Miller indices. Therefore, 1 upon 1, again h value is 1 upon 1 and k value is given as 0. So 0, 1 upon 0. We know that 1 upon 0 gives us infinity, means that given plane intersects z-axis at infinity, it will intersect x and y axis. So its intercepts are 1, 1 and infinity along x, y and z axis. Now draw this plane. So first of all you have to draw a cube. You have to show three crystallographic axes and now show the cuts along x axis at 1a, y axis at 1a and z axis we will not have any intercept. So the plane represented by A, B, C, D represents 1, 1 and 0 plane. The next example is a plane whose Miller indices are 0, 1, 0. It is clear from this digit that is the given plane will intercept only y-axis and it will be parallel to x and z-axis. We have to draw such plane. So let's find the intercepts. How to find intercepts? By taking the reciprocal of Miller indices. So 1 upon 0, 1 upon 1 and 1 upon 0. So 1 upon 0 comes out as infinity. It means that given plane intersects x-axis at infinity. 1 upon 1 is 1. It is intersecting y-axis at 1a. And 1 upon 0, it again gives us intercept at infinity along z-axis. So given plane will intersects only y-axis and such a plane is shown in figure with A, B, C, D in figure 1.44. Now next example is a plane whose Miller indices are 0, 0, 1. It means that this plane is going to cut which axis? Z axis only, and it is going to remain parallel to x and y axis. Now let's find the intercepts by taking the reciprocal of the Miller index. So 1 upon 0 for x, 1 upon 0 for y and 1 upon 1 for z axis. 1 upon 0 comes out as infinity, intercept will be at infinity. 1 upon 0 along y-axis, intercept will be at infinity and 1 upon 1 will give us intercept at 1a. Therefore, it is easy to draw Miller plane with the help of Miller index given. It means that you have to show a plane which will intercept only z axis as shown in figure A, B, C, D in the figure 1.45. Then next is a plane whose Miller indices are 2, 0, 0. It means that the plane is going to cut x-axis at twice a. Then for y and z axis it will not have any cut. So take reciprocal 1 upon 2 along x-axis, 1 upon 0 along y-axis and 1 upon 0 along z-axis. So 1 upon 2, then infinity and infinity will be the intercepts on x, y and z axis and show this plane as shown in figure. It represents 2, 0, 0 plane. The next plane is a plane whose Miller indices are bar 1, 0, 0. Bar 1, 0, 0 we have seen one of the characteristics of Miller index that it will have intercept at -1 on x-axis, at infinity along y-axis, and at infinity along z-axis. We have to draw such plane. Again we have to take intercept reciprocal, that is -1 upon 1 along x-axis, 1 upon 0 for y-axis, and 1 upon 0 for z-axis. It will give us the value of the intercepts along x, y, z as -1, infinity, and infinity. It means that we have to show a plane which will intersect x-axis, negative x-axis at 1a, then it will not intersect any y or z axis. So the plane shown in 1.45 figure with A, B, C, D dark represents our plane bar 1, 0, 0. Like this, one can find out various planes like 111 plane which will intersect all three crystallographic axes at 1A, 1A, 1A. Then 100, it means that plane is going to intersect only x-axis. 010 plane will intersect only y-axis. Then 001 plane will intersect only z-axis. Then 101 will intersect x and z axis only. 110 plane will intersect x and y axis only, and 011 plane will intersect y and z axis. Like that one can find out the intercepts and draw the Miller planes with the help of Miller index given. Hope you have understood this. Thank you. And complete the sketches in example 1.5, that is sketch 110, 010, 001, 200 bar 100 and 112 planes. Thank you.